Hi everyone, it's Lorena Castro. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve these loose waves. We're going to be using this curling one, so I'm so excited to show you how to use it and how quick it is to achieve this look. So go check. So I just straightened my hair already. If you want to know how I did this quick blowout, just on the comment area I will show you one of the videos, so you can just do it follow along as well. I'm just gonna brush it a little bit now. I just love this brush my mom gave me. Just call it FB Combo Large anti-static finger brush. It's called finger brush, okay? Okay, so my hair is brushed and soft. I'm gonna do 3 sections. So I'm gonna start from the bottom section, because we need a clip. I'm just gonna put some hairspray just to last a little bit longer. But yeah, it just is up to you. If you feel like you don't want to put any kind of product in your hair, just up to you. So I'm gonna use this curling wand. Gonna do like sections around like 2 to 3 centimeters. Yeah, and I'm gonna curl it all, and the ends I'm not gonna leave it too long, so then it looks a little bit more beachy and more natural. So here you go, let's go. And as you can see, I'm not going all the way to the roots, so it looks even more natural. And the ends, you will see, I just open it a little bit and I go down, and I will just open again and I will leave it. So this is what we want. We want a little bit of shape, but we don't want it full curl because we want it natural. This section. And as you can see, I'm doing it backwards, both of them. And at the back, we can just alternate. So probably that it would be too much, too straight, so I would just wave a little bit the end. Pretty quick. Yeah, much better. Okay, so that's my bottom section. Let's go for the second section. Hairspray. I love the smell of this hairspray. It just reminds me when I was doing the hair to all my friends in the bathroom before going out. So yeah, it's good memories. Okay. So like I said, usually the front I like backwards, so out of the face, but on the back I alternate. So maybe I do one backwards, I do one inwards. So like you can just kind of alternate the back, and also the bottom. No one can see it that much, so it's kind of okay, but the front always out of the face. So section, curling one, and let's go. Twist it twice, close it, clip, 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 go down, turn a little bit. Can you see the end still here? A little bit down, quick, and done. There you go, you see? Perfect. So we go like to the middle kind of the hair, we turn 1, 2, close, clip, 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 clip. Still hair here, go down a little bit. Beautiful. So the back, like I said, maybe this is gonna be backwards and the other one is gonna be inwards, so alternate. Sometimes what happens is we kind of see the back, so what you can do is just bring kind of everything forward. You can see what is straight or what not, so yeah, it's kind of easier to do it, right? Okay, I'm gonna be doing the last section. Yeah. I will leave the front to show you how I'm doing it, so give it 2 minutes. I just did this side. I left the front just to do it with you guys, and I just have left some top of this side, and I just did it because I wanted you to see how I do the top, which is super important. Okay, so bone section, and I put the curling one just facing down, and I just wrap it around backwards, open, 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 and go down, always holding the end and go down. And now you can just leave it, ding, 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 ding. Leave it, and here you go. Okay, just do this little piece, and just the same. Wrap it around, clip down, hold the ends, and open it. Okay, so now I have the 2 front pieces, and we're gonna do backwards. This side, just like that. Hold the ends down. We don't want the ends to wavy, so as soon as you touch the end, open it. Then that will be the result. And this one, going to do the same. So wrap it around, twist a little bit the curling one, open a little bit, ding, and that's it. Okay, I love this curling one. It's from the brand Wool. It's an okay brand. It's not like a luxury brand, but it's good and it does the work once the waves are done. So I'm gonna put a little bit of my favorite hairspray everywhere, and we will leave it to cool down for 10 minutes. Okay, so 10 minutes have passed, so I'm gonna brush with this brush. Let's do this. Okay, so I just brush it and it looks so good already. I'm just in love. So I'm just gonna tease it a little bit just to keep the volume. And for my case, this branch is way too open, so what I'm gonna do with my 2 fingers, I'm just gonna close it a little bit, and I'm gonna put spread. Okay, this is it. It looks so glam now, just because it's just done it, but I'm just gonna move a little bit so it will look more natural. Yeah, it just looks so good. Yeah, I'm so happy with these loose waves. It's just perfect. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video.